Welcome to this class. Today we are going to learn the structure subject plus transitive verb plus direct object plus adjective, right? Look, here we are going to place adjective after object, that is noun. Look, they subject, broke transitive verb, then direct object, the door. This is a noun phrase, right? And it is functioning as a object of broke. They broke the door often. Look, here often is an adjective, right? Okay. Here is another example. He beat the iron flat. The iron is a noun phrase and is functioning as an object of beat, and flat is an adjective that is modifying the noun iron. Here often is modifying the noun door. Look, they washed the cups clean. So clean is an adjective and it is modifying the noun cups. That is, usually we use adjective before a noun. Look, he is a good boy, right? This is adjective and it is modifying the noun boy. We usually put adjective before noun, but in this case we are going to put the adjective after the noun, right? In this pattern, this adjective denotes result and transitive verb denotes cause. That is, transitive verb denotes cause. Broke, then result is often. Beat, the result is flat. Washed, the result is clean. That is, in this case the transitive verb will denote cause and adjective will denote result. I think you have understood what I want to say to you. Result, right? So look, he's a good boy, right? This is determiner or article, this is adjective and this is noun. So what is the noun structure of noun phrase? Look, determiner plus adverb plus adverb plus adjective plus noun. Look, we can modify a noun by an adjective. We can modify an adjective by an adverb. We can modify an adverb by another adverb, right? So this is the structure of noun phrase. Okay, this structure will help you to determine the parts of speech, right? Okay, let me give you an example. He is a boy. Look, here a boy is a noun phrase, right? Look, here A is a determiner. Article is one type of determiner. Determiner or article is a special type of adjective. That is another thing. Okay, A is here determiner and boy is noun. These elements are absent here, right? So this is a boy is a noun phrase and it is acting as a subject complement because this is a linking verb. However, so noun phrase. Okay, let me expand this thing. He is a good boy. Here look, here good boy is also a noun phrase. Here A is determiner, then we have good, that is modifying boy, good is adjective, and here noun is boy, right? We can also write this sentence like this: he is a very good boy. Okay, so look, here boy is a noun and adjective is good and very is adverb. Adverb, right? So this good is modifying the noun boy and this very is modifying the adjective good, right? Okay, you can take another adverb here. He is a so okay, you can modify this adverb by another adverb. At this moment I am not getting any example, but this is the structure of noun phrase you have to memorize, and if you memorize the structure of noun phrase, it will be easy for you to write a long sentence, right? So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.